Hello, here's another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try and answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't and would like to hear my explanation, keep listening. What is the angular speed of a satellite in geostationary orbit around the Earth? Well, geostationary orbit means that the satellite, there's my square satellite, always remains fixed above the same point on the Earth. So as the Earth rotates, the satellite orbits to keep itself above that same point on the Earth. Angular speed is how many radians per second an object rotates at or orbits at. Well, if this satellite is going to stay above the same point on the Earth, then it needs to go all the way around the Earth 360 degrees in 24 hours. However, we want to work in radians and seconds. So 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi radians, one complete circumference, and 24 hours, we need to find that in seconds. 24 hours times 3,600 seconds in an hour. If I put that into my calculator, I will get an answer of 7.3 times 10 to the minus 5 radians per second. I hope you found all this useful. I hope it's going to help you achieve A-level success. Please give a like, please recommend, please watch more of them in the series.